Right, I've been fishing for a while. I've been persevering with dry fly, having to blind cast it because there's been nothing rising. So I've given up on that, and I've put a couple of small wet flies on. It's a nice day for fishing, but there's been a bit of extra dirty colour in the river, which I wasn't bargaining for. So there's probably quite a heavy shower somewhere, stirring up a bit of earth. I think my chances will get a little bit better when I get a bit further down, when the current's moving a bit slower. I think it looks very promising. It's the sort of place where a nice big brown trout will just lie very close to the bank. Ah, that's something. Probably a salmon pile. No, very small brown trout. Right, I'm trying giving this little pocket a go here. The wind's suddenly blown up from absolutely nowhere. I don't know whether you can see that, but on the river upstream there appears to be what looks to be lots of rises, but it's the birds taking flies off the surface. So there's a good hatch on, but unfortunately nothing is rising, which is quite strange. A trout, I think. Oh, it's off. I've packed in fishing and I'm making my way to the car through this amazing jungle, which has grown up in only a week or two, with some alarming deep holes in amongst it. I ended up with 3 rather small trout and 1 fish which dropped off, which was possibly 3/4 to a pound mark, I would say. And that's me. That's my lot for today. Plenty of flies on the water, but nothing decided to rise. So very much a failure all round. Although being out in the countryside on a nice day is always a plus. But anyway, I'll sign off for now. Thanks for watching. Bye.